Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not launching on iPad. First, try a simple restart of your iPad. This often resolves minor software conflicts. Next, confirm your internet connection is strong and stable, as a weak signal can prevent the app from loading. Finally, make sure your Roblox app is fully updated to the newest version available in the App Store for optimal performance. Moving on, let's check your app and device settings. Head into your iPad settings, find Roblox, and clear its data and cache. This can remove corrupted files. Also, confirm you have at least 1 GB of free storage on your iPad, as low space can hinder app launches. Temporarily disabling any VPN or proxy services might also help resolve connection issues. If the problem persists, a fresh start might be needed. Completely delete the Roblox app from your iPad, then download and reinstall it from the App Store. This ensures you have a clean installation. Additionally, check for and install any available iPad OS updates, as an outdated operating system can cause compatibility problems with newer apps. Remember to test Roblox after each action. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider resetting your iPad's network settings. This can fix persistent connection issues without deleting personal data. It's also wise to quickly check the official Roblox server status online to see if there are any widespread outages affecting all users. If all else fails, reaching out to Roblox support directly is your best next step for tailored help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.